Welcome to the in front of me INFINIX Hot 12i, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first, let's just open the settings application, and after that tap on the sounds and vibrations section. Then you'll see here the ringtone volume panel, and just to mute your device ringtone, you should hold for a while and swipe to the left side. There's green dot, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first press up or down volume button, and after that tap here to the settings icon, and you'll open the same just sound settings, and just to mute it, hold and swipe to the left side ring volume panel. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.